How are you? I hope you're doing good. And this this is make.com. We have created scenarios in here. This platform is actually helps in automating your tasks. For example, we have created this automation for a company whose main aim is to provide wound care. Okay, so let me show you one by one how we have created. See, these all are scenarios, or you can say the trigger points which triggers the automation. Uh, Let me start by giving you the hiring automation first. What is hiring automation? Let's suppose the company wants to hire for nurses, for admin, and for staff, or the VA, that is virtual assistant. So what we'll do is that we'll go here and I'll show you what actually the scenario looks like, how it has worked. Now let me give you a closer look. Like suppose um, a man or woman fills the form for nurse. It will get stored in the data sheet, Google sheet, and based on that we'll get a Slack notification that okay, this candidate has applied. And if we shortlist that candidate based on resume, his her meeting will be scheduled automatically, and the meeting link will be sent to the email informing the VA about the meeting, and also schedule in the calendar as well. And then if the candidate is not shortlisted after after the interview round, it will get a rejection mail, a quite simple rejection mail. Okay, and then if that one person is hired, what it will do is that it will go and it will inform in the mail that okay, you have been hired, proceed with the next step. Okay, and it will notify in the Slack that okay, this candidate has been hired. And then one more router, what will do is it will create a sheet. Yes, it will add a new row that okay, this has been added. It will send an onboarding mail requesting to complete the forms and sign the documents like the agreement, salary slip, everything. So this is what the flow of hiring a nurse looks like. And then if we'll go back, and you can see we have similarly created for VA, for admin, and for staff. Okay, and then this is what the Zoho sign docs look like. In this, what we have done is that the ones who have submitted the signed document, what it will go in the drive. It will download it will create a folder in the name of the employee. It will download the documents. It will update a sheet, what it will do, and it will upload the file. So this is for all the users. You can see the filters out here. If the role is VA, if the role is a nurse, and if the role is admin, and staff. So this is what the whole automation for hiring looks like. Similarly, we have for dispatch. For dispatch, what it does is that when we get an uh, when when we get an appointment, what we do is that okay, this nurse has to be dispatched to treat the wounds of a ex patient. So this is what it does, that okay, the patient has gave us a phone call, okay, this is our address, this is my name. This Google Maps extract the location, sends in the Slack message as well as in the Gmail notification. If no nurse is available in that zone, then this is what it is. It will send the Slack, okay, there is no nurse, please verify, and then it will go. So this is what the dispatch unit looks like. Similarly, we have for referral intake modules and sales and marketing modules as well. We have connected HubSpot so that if the customer wants to, if someone wants to get in touch with us, if the hospital wants to get in touch with her, they can call, they want to collaborate, then we can do this. So this is all from my side, and I hope I gave you an insight what actually my application looks like. So thank you and have a nice day. Bye.